Hello everyone. Are you having a chronic cough that disturbs you so much, both at night that you can't sleep? Here is a simple remedy for it. Worry no more. Okay? You'll be needing half teaspoon of clove powder. Make sure you're using the organic clove. Grind the clove by yourself. Make sure all your recipes are organic, okay? You will also need black seed pepper powder at the tip of the spoon. Make sure you grind the black seed by yourself, okay? And you also need half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Just combine everything nicely. Then you add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay? So after adding the turmeric, you add a teaspoon of grated ginger. Okay? Just add everything nicely. Then you add sea salt. You need sea salt, the one that looks like stone. You have to grind it by yourself and add a little to it. Then the last thing you'll be adding is organic honey. Make sure your honey is organic, okay? This remedy acts as a natural expectorant that helps in clearing mucus from the lungs and airways. It also helps to signaling the body to lubricate the irritated respiratory tract and also help to boost your immune system. It has anti-inflammatory properties that suit sore throat. This is a wonderful remedy. So after mixing it, you take a teaspoon 3 times daily. This will help clear mucus from the lungs, okay? This is a wonderful remedy for chronic cough and is highly effective. Do you see how it is?